Islam is not some strange religion. It's not a pagan religion. It's not a terrorist organization. Islam literally means submission to God alone. We do not worship the Kaaba, this black stone. We do not worship Muhammad. We submit to God alone, and Muhammad, peace be upon him, is a prophet and a prophet only. Islam is not a new religion. Islam means to submit to God, and Allah gave the holy books, the Torah and the Bible, to Jesus and to Moses before he revealed the Quran to Muhammad, in order to clarify the books that were before. As a Muslim, we believe in all of the messengers, not only Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. So here in the Quran, in 4:163, it talks about the belief of the other messengers. We have sent revelation to you, Prophet, as we did to Noah and the prophets who came after him, to Abraham, Ishmael, Isaac, Jacob, and the tribes, to Jesus, Job, Jonah, Aaron, and Solomon, and David, to whom we gave the Psalms. 164. We have told you about some messengers sent previously, while we have not yet told you about others. God spoke to Moses directly. 165. They were messengers, bearing good news and giving warning, so that mankind would have no excuse before God after the coming of the messengers. God is mighty, wise. So you have it right there. We believe in all of the messengers from Christianity, and we submit to God alone.